Cuco came from my mom saying that I was crazy, like Cuco, because I was like a goofy kid. My grandparents speak Spanish, so they would say I was El Cuco. Yo, what's up, it's Cuco. I'm out here with Tasty, about to make some Enchiladas Verdes. Food that I grew up eating because of my mom, one of my favorite dishes. So, yeah. If you want your salsa to be spicy, you can up the number of serrano peppers. If you like it more mild, I recommend using maybe like 1 or just like half a serrano pepper. You could also remove the seeds. I personally like spicy, so I put serrano peppers in that, make it hot. The reason why we boil the tomatoes, onions, garlic, and the serrano peppers is because we want to maintain the green color. If we were to roast the ingredients, we'd get more of like a brownish salsa. I think it's just really crucial to go try Mexican food if you haven't tried it before, because it expands beyond like tacos. Tacos are good, but there's a lot more really good dishes in the culture. Enchiladas verdes, chilaquiles, tortas, pozole. There's good food everywhere. All cultures. It's good to know where the good spots are at in your city. If you go somewhere else, go try the good food spots in those cities. It's definitely worth taking extra time to fry the tortillas. A crispier tortilla is more likely to hold its shape while baking, and the enchiladas will be less mushy. After you finish frying your tortillas, you'll dip them in the remaining salsa. This will make them easier to roll and ensure that they don't dry out while baking. We're using rotisserie chicken here, but this recipe is also good if you have any kind of leftover chicken you're trying to get rid of. When you're arranging your tortillas in the baking dish, make sure to arrange them seam side down. This way they'll continue to hold their shape and filling during baking. I go crazy with the cheese. Cheese and the crema mexicana, like it's just fire. I think food like really connects people. Music and food are both like art. Top it off with some crema mexicana, onion, and cilantro. This will help balance out the spice from the salsa verde. Yo, these enchiladas, Cuco approved, 100%.
Oh, yes!